here's the example on dividing a decimal tenth by a whole number. So here is our example of 8 1/10 divided by 9. Now, again, first glance, looks a little complicated because the decimal is there, but just like multiplication, all we need to do is take out that decimal, forget about it, do our math, and then bring the decimal back in. So here is how that works. So if you were working on a whiteboard, you could just erase it. Or if you're doing on a worksheet or a test, you could do it this way, just rewrite it without the decimal. So make a little note to yourself that it has one decimal place to start off with, and then rewrite it so that it's easier to work with. So in this case, we have 81 divided by 9. So if we think of what we can do over here in the multiplying section, something times 9 equals 81. You said 9, right? Yeah, I hope you did. So I know that 9 times 9 is 81. I have no remainder in this case, so I know my answer is 9. So I'm going to bring my 9 back over here to play with in this case. So now I know I have to bring my decimal back in. So how do I do that? Well, I know in a whole number my decimal belongs here, and I have to move it one decimal place. 1. There it is. I'm going to rewrite it a little bit nicer. I have decimal 9. And I know that before a decimal I need to have a 0. So there we go. So what I just figured out was 8 1/10 divided by 9 is 9/10. And I figured that out by taking away the decimal, reminding myself that I had one decimal place, doing my regular math, my long division. In this case, it was pretty quick division. And then when I got my answer, just putting the decimal back into it. And that's how you do division with one decimal place.